Building structures in French, Structure 4. Bonjour et bienvenue. Hello and welcome to this French course. This is the fourth course in the Building Structures in French series. By now, you'll be very familiar with how the Building Structures courses work. However, if you haven't watched any of the courses from this series, you should start by enrolling on Structure 1 and then work your way through them a structure at a time. What is building structures? I don't need to explain this next bit to you, as you'll be well aware at this point, but I'll just say it one last time. The entire French language can be broken down into several different structures. If you take any sentence from any French book or any utterance, you will see that it fits into one of these structures. I developed the Building Structures series as a unique way of learning the various sentence structures that exist in the French language. Every structure you learn gives you the ability to say a huge amount. Some structures are used more than others, but all the structures together make up the whole French language. Once you've learnt how a structure works, all you have to do is insert different words into the slots, and you have a sentence. This course introduces you to Structure 4. The fourth structure is similar to the second structure. Remember, in Structure 2, we learnt all about the present tense, which was the second component. Well, in the fourth structure, the second component is the present perfect tense, so we're going to learn all about that. The present perfect tense, despite its name, is a tense used in French to talk about the past. We'll be learning all about this tense, how to form it, how to turn it from a question into a non-question, and how to turn it negative. We'll also look at something interesting around how we translate the present perfect tense from French into English. There are two ways. The same underlying framework exists, but we change the components that we place in the structure to form the different types of questions and sentences. As always, all the lessons in this course have been broken down into 3-minute chunks. That way, you can listen to one 3-minute lesson every day without having to eat into your schedule. Obviously, you can watch more than one lesson per day if you wish, but I would recommend you stop before you want to. If you get to the end of a lesson and you're feeling exhausted, then you've gone too far. You want to stop whilst your head feels fresh enough to focus. By doing this, learning French will never become something that you get bored with, and you'll be much more likely to carry on. So let's start learning all about Structure 4 in French. I hope you enjoy. Bon apprentissage. Happy learning!